Matter Academy over the years has changed from when I was here to what we have now. I've seen it grow into something amazing.
A lot of evolution, however, the core has been constant.
We've always been a school that challenges students.
It's very oriented in getting them college prepared, which is phenomenal.
The teachers try to push us to become the best students we can be so that we prosper outside of school. Incredible people and incredible teachers.
The culture here at Matter Academy is one team, one goal for sure. When Verizon first came to our school,
I felt like it was a great way to evolve the school because as technology has advanced so much, so does the classroom.
Verizon provides iPads for each student, as well as data that they have access to 24/7.
And you can make the classroom more fun now.
I teach the Verizon Innovative Learning Lab. It's a general course, but very specialized. They let their creativity run wild. For example, they get to use VR goggles and all the different 3D printers and technology to enrich what they're already learning. Through Digital Promise, we received extensive training to use these different applications and technology in the classroom. The Genius Squad is this phenomenal group of students who are very well versed in the technology and help out the teachers, help out students.
Genius Squad is considered to be the tech team of the school.
They help facilitate conversation between the student body, the teachers, and the Verizon coaches. So our Genius Squad are genius students.
I became involved in Genius Squad so I can explore 3D printing and practice working on prosthetics, which is something I'd like to be involved in the future.
My dream university is MIT, so this is helping me develop background knowledge to really get me into that technology field.
When the Genius Squad first started out, we started learning the iPad, learning the different apps, coding, and then eventually it evolved into the Appy Hours we have now.
Appy Hours are these wonderful trainings that Genius Squad present to us.
And it's based on an app or a website that teachers or students need to learn about so that they can implement them in their class.
You might teach them something they don't know or something that might help them.
When a student gets to teach a teacher something, they feel a sense of pride and accomplishment.
A lot of times you learn by teaching, and it's great that they get to reinforce that knowledge they have and have these presentation skills as well where they're helping us through the process.
Teaching teachers does give me more confidence. It's a great experience to have, and it's nice to see that teachers are learning about technology in that way.
There's some teachers that never really cared for technology in the classroom. Seeing them now being able to use it and apply it into their classroom overall has been one of the biggest success stories.
The transformation has been incredible.
The students with learning all this new technology have responded so well. They've been so excited. As soon as they walk in the door, they ask me, what are we doing today? What new thing are we learning? And I always tell them like, oh, well, maybe class is gonna be a little bit difficult today. And they're like, oh, but it's gonna be fun, right? They truly love learning more. So they've come back to me telling me, hey, I learned how to do this. And I was like, I didn't even know how to do this. So that's amazing. So they go that extra mile because they really are motivated.
If I didn't have any of this stuff, I honestly don't know what I would be doing.
I am not as reserved as I used to be. I used to just be sitting in my little corner of the class, minding my own business. Working with Genius Squad has really helped me open up and be less reserved and more open to communicating with others.